I wonder, I wonder how to properly apply the laws of after blessing on liquid. When following the ruling of the Shiur, being continuously drinking with one interruption, I find it's very rare to make after blessing on liquid. However, if we follow the opinion that Shiur is 3 minutes, we need to say a Brocha. Since we should not force ourselves, should we just drink normally and follow the opinion of continuous drinking and not making a Brocha?
So that's a very, very good question. So let me just explain the question. So about Shiur, how much you have to drink, there are two opinions. Actually, the one of the opinion was not mentioned. So one of the opinion is actually kizayis, same as solids, right? So kizayis is 1 ounce. So of course it's a huge difference. Like, so 1 ounce is a little bit, right? And Shiur for drinking is actually for liquids is 3.2 ounces, which is 86 grams cc, right? To 150. So let's say we're going by the minute, 3.2, 3.1 ounces. So it is 86 grams. If you pour it in a cup or a glass, so right, you like measure it. So usually people drink from the same cups, from the same glasses. So just measure it and see how much is it. It's not a lot, right? And you have to drink it in 2 sips, basically, according to go according to all of the opinions. Right? So if it's water, it's very simple. It's some juice or soda. It's very simple. It's not a lot. That's that much. Two small sips. Right? Test it that you would know. Right. So going to the first opinion. First opinion said that it's 1 ounce. We don't go by that opinion. And the second opinion, it says that if you like time Shiur, so meaning 3 to 4 minutes, same as a solid, so they actually connected, right? So also, since according to some very important poskim, it's not acceptable opinion. So if it's very strong but not acceptable, so we're afraid to make a blessing in vain. So we said we're going to go by the stricter opinion and try to drink this 3.2 ounces in 2 sips, or don't make a blessing at all, right? So for example, that's if somebody drink this coffee like in small sips, they would not make a blessing, right? But it's always recommended not to feel like you're stealing or something, right? From HaShem, because it says if you did not say the blessing, you steal from HaShem. So, and there is some opinion that say that we are. So if we have something to make up this blessing, meaning what you have half a banana or something to eat, or something else, candy, whatever you eat, right? That require the same after blessing. So that's it. So you do that, and when you make blessing after blessing, keep in mind your coffee or tea, right? And measure this. So this 3 ounces, it's not a lot. So just like standard. I mean, there are a few standards, but coffee mug, right? I'm talking about ceramic, not to like travel. It's around 10 ounces. Right? Plus minus someone 9, somebody 8.5, like standard. Like it's not big, but it's not small, but of average. So it's 1/3 of that cup. Is it a lot? I don't think so. In 2 sips. So according to some opinions, 3 sips. Right? It's not a lot. So check and test, and so you know your cups in your house, and you like after sometimes you get the feeling like what is it, right? Did I drink or not, enough or not? Okay.
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.